And then I'll say, oh, and fun fact, what size is this again?
8x4.
8x4.
Feet.
And then I'll say, can you just record again, or are you just keeping recording? Fine. Fun fact, Jordan told me that every plyboard,
Every sheet.
look, fun fact, Jordan told me that every sheet,
8x4.
every 8x4 sheet, goes like, fun fact, Jordan just told me that every 8x4 sheet takes 122 nails. What do you call it? You gun? I don't know. Stamped it?
Yeah, nails, isn't it? They're nails.
A nail gun.
Yeah, but it takes, what does it mean by takes? You have to use 100, okay. Fun fact, Jordan told me that every 8x4 plyboard, again.
It's the hand movement every time.
Okay. Fun fact, Jordan told me that every 8x4 sheet has to, I can't do this anymore. What do you have to use, right?
Yeah.
Say 120 as well.
120, fine. Okay.
Not 122. It's,
Okay. Fun fact, Jordan just told me that every 8x4 sheet, you have to use 120 nails. Fine.
Good.
And then I'll be like, imagine having to,
do this by hand.
imagine having to nail them in all by hand. What? This is
Yeah.
awful.
What?
I don't know. Cool. And then I'll be like, thanks so much, Jordan. I'll let you get back to work. You've got a lot of nails to gun in.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Awesome.